Hello and welcome to my channel, Bare Beauty Basics. So, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Parbbonni, and I share um, my beauty tips. I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm a fine artist, and I enjoy makeup. And if you want to see how I got this look, I will link the video to this channel to this. I will link the video of that tutorial to this video. All right, so go check that out after you watch this. This is a very basic morning look that I did, and so if you want to amp up a morning look, then this is what you can do. So I don't have any specific plan in mind. But what I'm going to do is play a little around my eyes. I don't have a foundation on my face, I just have some concealer. I was actually trying out some e.l.f. cosmetics, some new launches by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and that's how I achieved this look. Okay, so if I want to amp up this look, I would just pick one eyeshadow color. I would stick to warm colors. So this is an eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. It's been quite some time that I own this palette, and I feel this is a very, uh, you know, very easy to do kind of a palette. You can do it every day. Most of the shades are matte, but there are a few shimmery shades. So if you are a beginner at doing your eyes and stuff like that, this is a good palette. All right, so I'm going to pick up a color like this. I'm doing a very fall kind of a eye look. This is the color that I would pick up, and using my fingers I'm just going to do a nice wash of color all over my lid. All right, so just a nice wash, and it blends very seamlessly. You don't really need brushes if you're working with this palette, and that's the beauty of this eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. So you see the difference. I am going to do the same on the other eye. I'm also testing out my new camera, so bear with me if it keep moving because this has a face tracking thing on. I hope you can see that. Doing this kind of a matte eyeshadow color gives you an instant polished sophisticated look, which is very effortless without doing much, just building up the color. And whatever is left, I'm going to pick a tissue and wipe my hands so I don't accidentally transfer it anywhere else on my face. So that's pretty nice. Also, I would just leave it to that. And what I'm going to do here is, you know, pick up some Kajal pencil. I'm using the one by Blue Heaven. And taking a small brush like this, I'm just picking up the product right from the crayon, like so. Okay, I'm picking up right from the crayon, and I'm going to just line my upper lash line with it very, very roughly. And give it a nice smudge, like so. So by doing this, you achieve a very, very subtle amount of product on the lash line, giving you that effect of fuller lashes, but you don't really have any liner. It doesn't really show up on the line, on your lash line. So it's like it looks mysterious. It looks like you have something, but somebody looking at you can't really make out what it is. It's not kajal, it's not liner, it's not shadow, but there is something that is making your lashes look full. So you can absolutely avoid mascara if you're wearing you know your lash line like this. So let me do for the other eye. And you can wing it if you want to. I'm not taking too far towards the inner corner of my eyes. And that's it. You can do the same for your lower lash line. So I'm picking the black from the pencil. I'm also going ahead with a darker brown color. This is the color that I'm picking up, this color right here. All right, I am mixing black and brown and taking it towards my lower lash line. I'm just doing that towards the outer corner of my eyes. And just dragging it slightly outwards to give that cat eye kind of a look. Again, going back to the black from the pencil and picking up the brown from the palette. Just the outer corner. And doing that flick to pull that. And if you want to clean it, if it becomes messy, don't bother. Just take a tissue and do that. So that's the kind of look. If you want to go further ahead, you can always line the inside with the kajal. So this is very, very helpful if you are amping up your day look uh, towards a night look. Okay, so and whatever you have spilling from your lash line, because for some people, kohl pencils tend to smudge a lot. So take some powder from the shadow and just rub it in so everything is nice and set and it doesn't keep moving and budging. All right. So that's your eye look. Very, very simple. Uh, Now, just to tie things a little, I would use a bronzer. So I'm using a bronzer by PAC, and this is the color. It's called Showbiz. And just bronzing where I need to. I like to bronze my forehead, my chin, and a little bit of my nose because that's where the sun catches me. Lots of bronzer with this kind of a smudged eye look goes really, really well. And to finish it up, I'm going to pick up some blush, a powder blush. This is by Makeup Revolution. And adding back some color to my face. So try to blend the bronzer and your blush so it looks cohesive. I hope the color is coming through and on the camera. I'm not sure how well the color is showing, because on the mirror it shows pretty stark. And on the nose, a little on the forehead, the chin. All right, and to finish the look, I have a lipstick called Browning Glory, and this is by Nykaa. No, sorry, this is by Sugar. So Sugar Cosmetics, I had this lipstick from them. It's called 01 Browning Glory. And let's put it on. And that's the finished look. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments. I pretty like it. It's simple to amp up any day look. Whatever you're wearing, you can just go about it. You will definitely have a base, concealer, powder, foundation, whatever it is. I just use powder products, so it's easy to build up later during the day or the night. And there you have your effortless, simple day to night makeup look. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in my new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.